Want to learn how you can make $100 a day using Cash App? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and I'm doing this very quick video to introduce you to a course, a system that I think can help a lot of people out, making some money online, making some passive money online. Great for newbies or advanced people, whatever. But I came across this course. Actually, it was a couple days ago. I seen this one lady on Facebook. She promoted a lot of good stuff. I seen her talking about it a lot, so I'm like, yo, she usually on point. So let me, check it out. So I seen it 3-4 days ago, but finally last night I decided to get it. It's called Automatic Cash App System. Okay, Automated Cash App System. All right. So basically, it's a course that shows anybody who gets it how to use that Cash App and make $100 a day from the app. And basically, it basically gives you a system that you can plug into and start making money, passive income, actually. All right. The course itself, it costs $27, right? A one-time payment of $27. And once you buy the course, you actually get resale rights that you can get 100%. You can sell it for 100% of the cost. So you pay $27 and then you actually can sell it for $27, right? So it's one of them no-brainer things, again, guys, because if you're not familiar with Cash App, it's like another payment processor. A lot of people are turning to Cash App right now, and actually there's ways to make money, from the app. So this is what this system is all about. I went over it last night, and it's very, very simple, very, very easy to get started. Of course, you gotta take action, just like I say with anything, but it gives you everything you need to start making money and start reselling this course. Now, you can resell this course like on Facebook. You can resell it, on YouTube, make YouTube videos about it, share it with your friends, whatever, however you want to promote it. But if you're an internet marketer and affiliate marketing, you definitely want to jump on this, because this is great to promote on, your social media. And if you have a email list, definitely something you want to promote there, because the course is legit. I went over it last night. It's very easy to understand. You can actually turn it into more income from once you actually buy the course. But honestly, I'm just happy with what it taught me. And then having resale rights, you're getting $27 a pop, every time you resell it, and you're actually selling a real system. So you're actually selling a real product, and you're making money from Cash App. So it's a win-win, win-win-win-win, right? The lady who actually I got the course from, she's already made over $800 in the last 4 days from this exact system. So I'm like, yo, I'm jumping on it right now. And of course, I'll do an update probably in a week or so. I'll let you know how things are going. But I really think this course can help a lot of people if you're looking for that, passive income. You're trying to get things going, new to making money online or whatever, and you want something that you can get $27, for every sale, and you can get that as many as you want. And I'll put up a screenshot real quick of your earning potential with this. And I actually got this from the girl on Facebook, but I'll put it up right now real quick so you could take a look at, the earning potential. So just think about that. Take a look. Yeah, that's good, right? So, guys, you're looking to make some money. You want a legit way to do it, a cool system. You might want to check out Automated Cash App System. Link in the description. Check it out right now. If you have any questions about this system, shoot them, leave me a comment below, or you already know my phone number is actually in the description of the video. So if you got some questions, you can give me a call, and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. But the system is real simple. You know what I mean? So get started. If you've been looking for opportunity, here's one. So check it out. All right. Be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to share this video if you like it. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Now go get that money.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.